Hello, this is Jesse from Deep South Beekeeping and more. Today I'm going to change the fuel filter on a John Deere Gator 825i. This is the part number for your John Deere Gator 825i fuel filter. And always ask for a couple of clips when you're at the parts counter. They always seem to break on me. The fuel filter is located on the right side, right here by the oil dipstick. Okay, here's your fuel filter. I'm going to pull that dipstick just to get it out of the way. It's a little tight. Now, normally this filter is attached to the frame with a couple of those plastic push connectors. I find them a little difficult to put in and out, and it's really not needed. As you can see, that filter is not going anywhere. So I just connect it on the outlet and on the inlet here. Now, we've got to get those little clips out. And it may break. That's why I always have spares. I've already broke that one. Maybe there's a better way to take them out. I haven't discovered it yet. Okay, that's one clip out. I'm going to try pushing it from the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it from that end. Maybe I can turn this and get to it a little better. I think you can see why I don't hook this base to the frame. Okay, it gave me a little slack there where I can work with this and get to that other half. Okay, we've got the new filter here. You ensure that the flow is going to the rear. I've got the new clips ready. We're going to start with this forward connection. So I was to hook up the rear first. I don't think I would have enough mobility to even do this. Now note how this clip goes in. You see how the legs are on one end? Well, that's how it has to go in. The legs will be on the back side, and then the rest of the clip will face forward. Just like that. It wouldn't work like that. It's got to go in just like this so that it will sit right in the housing there. Okay, slide it all the way in and then put the clip in just like this, with the legs facing the rear. Okay, forward connection is complete. Now we'll do the rear. Okay, on this one, the clip is going to go with the legs facing forward. And you can see that right here. See the holes where the legs go in? It's on the forward position. So it'll go in like this. And you have to make sure it comes over this little ridge right here. And the clip is what holds it. Push it all the way on. Make sure the legs are to the front. Slide it in. Now that's all there is to it. There are O-rings in these connections. Now, you can attach it back to the frame if you'd like. I don't feel it's necessary. So I usually just take a tie wrap and go right around this bundle right here. Now, if you're ever working and need a long tie wrap and you don't have one, just hook two together. That'll do the job. We'll go around this entire bundle to include the fuel line. Well, that completes the fuel filter change on the John Deere Gator 825i. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit like and subscribe. This is Jesse with Deep South Beekeeping and more, and I'll see you on the next video.